Now this is to prove the point on the 3 flush toilet. Watch this. One, two, three. Isn't that a heck of a deal? Can you imagine such a thing?